Shohei Ohtani is a Japanese professional baseball player widely regarded as the greatest two-way talent pitcher and hitter since Babe Ruth. Currently with the Los Angeles Dodgers, Ohtani's unprecedented combination of power hitting and elite pitching has earned him 3 unanimous MVP awards, a World Series title, and status as MLB's highest-paid athlete in 2025. Ohtani married former Japanese basketball player Mamiko Tanaka in February 2024. Their daughter was born April 19, 2025. He owns a Netherlands Kui Karhonze named Decoy Dekopin, who gained fame with a viral US visa and MVP ceremony appearance. Ohtani bought a $7.85 million La Canada Flintrees mansion in 2024 and founded Decopin LLC. Endorsements, Fanatics, Porsche, Tops boosted his 2025 Forbes earnings over $100 million, making him the world's highest-paid athlete. Ohtani's NLCS Game 4 heroics, 3 HRS including a 469-foot blast, 10 KS and a shutout into the 7th clinched the series 4-1 over the Brewers, earning NLCS MVP and propelling the Dodgers to the World Series or potential matchup versus Mariners or Guardians. Fans hail it as the greatest postseason performance ever, with X buzzing about his full Ohtani October. Post-injury shoulder from 2024 WS, he is at peak form with 2025 stats cementing his legacy. No new controversies, focus remains on a potential second ring. Ohtani linked a record 10-year, $700 million deal mostly deferred on December 11, 2023. Elbow rehab limited him to DH in 2024, 310, 54 HRS, NL lead 130 RBIs, 59 SBS, first 50-50 season ever. Milestones 200 career HR July, walk-off Grand Slam 50th SB August. He homered thrice in the NLCS and won the World Series versus Yankees 4-1 despite a shoulder injury requiring surgery. Internationally, Ohtani represents Japan. At the 2023 World Baseball Classic, he won the MVP award for the tournament following Japan's victory over the United States. The 2023 final was one of the most watched baseball games in history, culminating with Ohtani striking out Angels teammate and US captain Mike Trout on a full count, securing a 3-2 win and Japan's third title. In 2025, he resumed two-way play, debuting in Tokyo 2-for-5, hitting .282, 55 HRS, Dodgers record, 102 RBIs, 20 SBS, led NL in runs 146, OPS 1.014, pitching 1-1, 2.87 ERA, 62 Ks in 47 IP. Highlights: 48th HR 4th SAS season, 1000 hit August, 5 no-hit innings September, post-season